So how do we actually connect our GameSir G7 SE controller to the GameSir app? Well, the first thing we need to do is to grab the extremely long cable that you get when you actually purchase the controller. And one of the USB-C ends here, as you can see, needs to go to the controller in here. Make sure that you really click it in, that you hear the sound. And then the other USB end here needs to go to your PC or laptop. So I'm just gonna insert it right here real quick. And now you need to also get the specific app that works for this controller, and the specific app is called GameSir Nexus. You can just Google for it and then you will be able to download the app, and it's called, once again, GameSir Nexus here, as you can see. So if I click on the GameSir Nexus app here, this is the only one that I've seen that actually works with this controller, just so you know. Now what you need to do as well is to turn it on by clicking on the Xbox logo here, just so it lights up like this, as you can see. And then it should automatically, you can see here now, detect the controller on the GameSir Nexus app here. And you can see change a bunch of settings here. Yeah, you can see the polling rate here, I think it's called, and stuff like that. And you can even update the firmware. So yeah, basically that is exactly how to actually connect it here, as you can see.